The third rule for all content creators is find a lane that you love and enjoy doing. Find something that comes to you naturally. Some people like fitness videos, some people like live streams, some people like vlogging. Find a lane that works for you. Find a lane that comes naturally. Something that doesn't feel forced. Something that doesn't feel like a job. Okay? Find something you love to do and capitalize on it. Find something you love to do and develop that skill, develop the craft until eventually you start to master it. Okay?